Welcome to our automation testing channel. Today we'll talk about Playwright data-driven testing. Data-driven testing is a software test approach where test cases are designed based on different sets of the data rather than fixed inputs. It involves executing the same test script with multiple data sets to validate the behavior of an application under various conditions. The purpose of data-driven testing is to increase test coverage, identify potential defects, and verify that the application functions correctly with different input values. Improve test coverage. With a wide range of input data, more scenarios are covered, increasing the chances of finding defects. Reusability. By separating test data from test scripts, data sets can be reused across different tests, saving time and effort. Scalability. It is easier to scale a data-driven test to handle larger data sets without modifying the test scripts. Here is a diagram for data-driven testing. Maintainability. Changes in data can be made independently of the test scripts, making maintenance more straightforward. Flexibility. Tester can quickly add new test data to verify additional scenarios. Data-driven testing is particularly useful when an application has a large number of test cases with scenario functionalities, and when this is needed to validate various combination input data. By adapting this approach, software testing becomes more efficient, effective, and adaptable to change requirements. Okay, let's look at the application. In this web page, we want to test the golf course function. Here is the two functions we want to test. One is the search function. When I type tag A in the search box and click search and get return, this is the name is tag A. And this is just one case, use this script, but today I will show you how to use data-driven test and run many of the test cases, run 3 test cases, search 3 times. This is one. And another one, I want to select different country and list golf course. If I select this country, you see all of the name you test A, B, C, and all of this golf course in this country. And this is just one case for select Colombia. If we want to use data-driven test, how we can coding and use the group of the country, 3 or more, and select different country and list different golf course. So how we coding this one, and this use the data-driven test. Okay, let's look at the code. Under this one, we have made another folder is data. Put the CSV file in this folder, and when run the automation tester, data-driven tester use these two files. And also under test, I add one of this file, data-driven spec.js file. So this is a file here. We can look at the file. First line is import Playwright test in this file. And here is a description block, data-driven test. And this is a before each. Like before each page go to the golf course and check the URL have this URL. This is before each. And this is the first test, search golf course, use fractures. You see here, define a constant golf course, and here is a name. This is actually name, Sky golf course. We have the three of the case, give the three of the name. So when run this test is get three of golf course name, put field in the search box and search. So here is a code, like a for, and a constant golf, and this is from here, golf. So each of this is the golf, this is all of the golf course. So get each of golf name and put this name. You see here is a search box name. So it's a search string and import. And you see here is golf. You see here is golf the name. So filter this name and click search. So this is the first one. And use constant golf course defined here. Another one is we want to search golf course, and this time we use the data-driven file. So you see here is a like name. We can see here, this is a column is a name. We list three of the golf course name and use these three run a test. You see here, we first need to define a FS, require FS system, and pair require the csv-parse synchronize. So use this, and this is a read file, and this file defined here. So this is a directory, this is a file name, and read this into this and pair this one to the record. So run the test for. So for is like we have the three names. So for have the three case from this here, and each of the case, each of the name, and the field name use the names name and fill and search. So this is second. And another one is for the select country. First one, we define constant countries. Like we have the list three country here. So for run the for loop, and each from country. So here is three case, get three country. So three country name here, and use the select drop-down list. This drop-down list current field, and select and use the label, the country name. Select this one and click the field. Then can get return results. Another one is select use this date file. So this country, you see here is country. column title, and here list 3 country. You see here is a defined system, defined CSV file, and read into the records, and have the 3 records. So each we call the country. So country name, select drop-down list, this one, and select label country name is the first one, and then click filter, then click select second 3 and click this one. So this is a code base. Okay, let me run each of the test. Okay, yeah, it's run first one. I run all of this one, and you see here is like I finish this one. You see, and let me run this one. Okay, this is read file and run, and here is select country for this one. I run this one. Yeah, it's finished. And run this one is read the file and do the data-driven test. Yeah, that's finished. So if I run all of this one and just click all the test in current file, here is finishing. You can see here is finished. Thank you for you watch the video. If you want to follow us update, please subscribe. See you next time.